Hi, Sally Walker here, your hormone and slow age expert. So what are some of the symptoms that could indicate that we have problems with the gut? So there could be the classical or the typical symptoms, and these are going to be things like bloating, pain, cramps, so tummy cramps, tummy pains, that kind of thing. Could be diarrhea, could be the opposite, could be constipation. Bad breath is actually also a very big indicator that there's something going on in the gut, and excess farting or the opposite, no farting. Yeah, so remember, farting is actually very healthy, and we need to be doing somewhere between 5 and 15, 20 small farts a day. We ladies tend to fart more than the boys, so ladies, don't be embarrassed. It's a good thing to be passing wind at regular times during the day. If the farting gets excessive, or if the farting gets very smelly, so this could be an indication that there's something going on in the gut, or it could be an indication that some of the food has been producing a negative effect. So things like the sulfury food, so the veggies like your cabbage families and your Brussels sprouts and your cauliflower and all this kind of thing. Even eggs could create a little bit more sulfur smelling farts. But what about the symptoms which are atypical, which we don't sort of necessarily realize could be indicating that we have a dysbiosis in our gut? Yeah, so things like skin problems, I talked about it before. So if you're having problems with your skin, if you've got eczema, rosacea, got spots, even acne is going on, now this could be an indication that there's a problem with the gut. And I would always, or I do always, with my clients say, we're going to start looking at the gut first. Could be a hormonal thing, it absolutely could, but it could be the dysbiosis in the gut is creating the hormone problem, could be, yeah. But if by changing the gut or improving gut health, the skin problem doesn't resolve, then we would be looking more at the hormonal side of things and trying to manipulate those. Anyway, skin problems. Brain fog. So if you're not concentrating very well, or if you're not feeling motivated as before, could be your gut. Depression, anxiety could be your gut. Chronic inflammation in your airways, so lungs and other places. If you're producing more phlegm than normal, could be your gut. Joint and muscle pains. I've seen, because I'm a physio, I've seen through the years many that come with joint pains which don't really follow the traditional pattern. And then when we remove gluten from the diet, the joint pain gets better. Interesting. So it was all gut related. It was all gluten related there. Obesity. We know this also can be a cause of a dysbiosis in the gut microbiome. Chronic liver disease, chronic kidney disease, those kind of things. Cardiovascular problems could also be a problem with the microbiome. We know that the bacteria in the gums can give problems with the heart valves. So we know there's a connection there as well. And then the last one on the list I'm going to say is tinnitus. So this constant noise in the ears could also come from the gut. Interesting. So be aware of some of these typical symptoms. So if you have any type of symptom, I would say try an elimination diet and see if your symptoms disappear, or if at the very least they become less. Happy hormones, happy life.